Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, Toyota Tundra enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your driving experience to the next level? Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate solution for protecting your beloved Tundra, the world's top 5 best mud flaps. From enhancing aesthetics to safeguarding against debris, we've got you covered. Join me as we explore these game changers, ensuring your Tundra stays pristine on every adventure. So, let's dive in and revolutionize your ride. Check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. REI Eco Mud Flaps, the ultimate choice for the best mud flaps for Toyota Tundra. Engineered with a custom patent design in the United States, these mud guards are tailored specifically for 2022 to 2024 Tundra models, including SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, and Capstone. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, they offer unparalleled durability against deformation and corrosion, ensuring longevity even in the harshest conditions. These all-weather guards provide maximum protection for your Tundra's fenders, shielding them from snow, salt, sand, rocks, and debris. What sets them apart is the hassle-free installation, no drilling required. Simply utilize the existing screws or bolts on your Tundra, with an additional pack provided for backup. And when it comes to maintenance, cleaning is a breeze with just a scrub brush and soap remover solution, keeping them looking pristine all year round. Elevate your Tundra's protection and aesthetics with REI Eco Mud Flaps. Number 2. Dilumina Mud Flaps, the ultimate solution for your 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra. Crafted with precision to seamlessly complement your Tundra's design, these heavy-duty mud flaps offer unparalleled protection against sand, mud, and debris. Engineered for a perfect fit, they replace OEM parts with ease, ensuring a seamless integration with your vehicle's fender flares. Designed in the USA, these mud flaps are a must-have accessory for any Tundra owner looking to safeguard their investment from rough road conditions. With a complete set for both front and rear, these mud guards guarantee OEM quality and finish without the hefty dealer price tag. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and dedicated US-based customer support, your satisfaction is our priority. Elevate your Tundra's performance and aesthetics with the best mud flaps for Toyota Tundra, Dilumina Mud Flaps. Number 3. Pit66 Mud Flaps Splash Guards, the perfect choice for Toyota Tundra owners seeking top-notch protection for their vehicle. Designed specifically for 2007 to 2013 models with outwell lips, these splash guards boast superior durability and impact resistance, meeting OE standards for a seamless replacement. Crafted from high-quality materials, they ensure long-lasting performance even in tough conditions. Installation is a breeze with plug-and-play simplicity, though professional fitting is recommended for optimal results. With replacement part numbers 76621-0C040 and 76622-0C040, compatibility is guaranteed, giving you peace of mind on the road. Plus, with exceptional service and support, any issues are promptly addressed, ensuring your satisfaction. Upgrade your Toyota Tundra with Pit66 Mud Flaps Splash Guards for the best in protection and style. Number 4. WeatherTech 4 PCS Mud Flaps Splash Guards, the perfect addition to your Toyota Tundra 2022 to 2024. These mud guards are not just about style, they're a practical necessity for any off-road enthusiast or city driver. Crafted from durable EVA plastic, they offer rigid protection against dirt, road debris, and stone chips, safeguarding your vehicle's exterior while enhancing its sporty look. Engineered to seamlessly integrate with your Tundra's design, they provide a custom fit that complements its rugged aesthetic. But it's not just about aesthetics. These guards serve a crucial function by preventing small stones from damaging your car's paint and inhibiting premature rusting of pull rods and ball joints. Plus, with a generous 3-year warranty, you can trust in their long-lasting reliability. Elevate your Tundra's performance and appearance with the best mud flaps on the market. Number 5. WeatherTech Custom No-Drill Splash Guard Mud Flaps for Toyota Tundra, the pinnacle of protection for your truck. Crafted specifically for select 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra and Tundra hybrid models, these front and rear set mud flaps are the epitome of convenience and durability. Made in the USA, they boast a sleek black design that complements your vehicle's rugged aesthetic. What sets these mud flaps apart is their precise fit, thanks to laser measurements, ensuring seamless installation without the hassle of drilling. This means preserving your Toyota's pristine paint job while enjoying maximum defense against road debris and mud. Molded from a specialized thermoplastic resin, they offer unparalleled coverage, contouring perfectly to your Tundra shape. Elevate your driving experience with the best mud flaps for Toyota Tundra. WeatherTech has you covered. In conclusion, finding the best mud flaps for your Toyota Tundra is essential for both style and protection. From durable materials to perfect fitment, we've explored top options to suit your needs. Whether you prioritize functionality or aesthetics, there's a choice for every driver. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updated videos, and keep your Tundra looking sleek on and off the road.